welcome to my art channel. Thanks for joining me. My name's Nikki, if you've not been here before. Okay, my colours. I'm doing another gradient background, another ombre background, and I'm doing blues this time. I've no idea what make this is. Oh, boil. Don't even know where I got it from. I just wanted white paint, and as it's just for the background, it doesn't need to be an expensive paint. Another one that I've no idea what the brand is, but it's Pale Blue. Liquitex Light Blue Violet. Mont, Sky Blue. Marte Cobalt Blue. Liquitex Phthalo Blue. Reeves Phthalo Blue, and it looks slightly darker. Might just go with one of those. And Mont Paynes Grey. Canvas is 16 by 20. I've sprayed the back. I might put a little bit more. No, it seems okay. So that's 40 centimetre by 50 centimetre. Okay, so next part, dry. These are my colours. I might change the order, but this is what I had in mind. This one is TLP Athena, which is rose gold. Atelier Dioxazine Purple. Liquitex Bright Aqua Green with a couple of drops of blue acrylic ink. TLP Pinwheel. Art Alchemy Opal Magic Teal Pink. So that was the order I was going to put them down, but I want to use a blue cell activator. Well, turquoise actually, turquoise green, so I don't really want that next to that. This is Amsterdam turquoise green. I might use 3 cell activators. I'll get 3 ready anyway. So Amsterdam turquoise green, Atelier, equal parts of rich and pale gold, and this is Atelier Tinting Pearl Titanium White with a healthy dollop of just their normal titanium white. So I could still use that on the top and put those first and then turquoise on the top, but I wanted white on the top, but I could put gold. Yeah, I think I'll put gold on top of that, then the turquoise. So stick with the way I was going to put them. Now, the pouring medium. Just move that out of the way. So hopefully it's not going to be like thick glue this time. I have thinned it down. I've added, see, it's gone thick again. It keeps thickening up. I'm going to just add a little bit of binder medium to it. No idea why. Just thought I don't like to add too much water, so that's why I've done that. I'm not going to bore you with mixing this up, but I'll show the consistency in a minute. Okay, that's better. So I'm hoping this time I'll be actually able to swipe. Couldn't move it the last time, so fingers crossed with that one. Let's move these out of the way. So I'm thinking I will do a swipe. I don't want to do too much because it will be too busy. Swipe there and some scoop and drags maybe, and then a swipe there. That's what I've got planned. Let's put my gloves on. I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, I'm going to change the angle because I'm too close up, and let's get messy.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. So sweet again. try. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
So I'm quite happy with this, the end result. And the blue, the Amsterdam blue in the pouring medium, I put just a teaspoon in, and you can really see the shimmer on the blue. So if you like it, please hit the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it, it's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And please share if you know anybody who might like to see it. And thank you all for being here with me, and take care, stay safe. I'll see you all next time. Thank you, bye.